Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you know that this is a stationery haul slash my recent purchase kind of a video. Okay, so let's start this video. So first we have Cello Marquee permanent marker in silver shade. Basically I have both the shades golden and silver, but right now I wasn't able to find the golden one. So here we have silver. It is of 20 INR. Next we have Dom's metallic brush pen. It costed me 50 rupees. They aren't permanent brush pens, but you can write on black paper and it will look so cool. Next we have Cello Trimat ball pen in 60 rupees. They are normal colorful ball pen, yet they flow very well. And this packet contains 10 shades. One is missing because I don't know where I kept. Next we have Cello Marquee permanent marker. The one I showed you in the beginning was metallic one, but these are normal ones. It says that these markers work on most of the surfaces, but I tried on fabric and it didn't work out. But it works on every kind of paper for sure, because I have tried on glossy, matte, every kind of sheet and it worked out really well. It has 8 markers of different color and it costed me 130 rupees. Next we have Dom's brush pen. This pack has 14 shades along with 5 sheets of Canson watercolor sheets. So these are water-based brush pens with super soft tip, as it is written on the packaging as well. So this is how the tip looks like, sharp and pointed. So as I told you that it comes with a free Canson sheets, and the size of the sheets are 17.5 centimeter into 17.5 centimeter. It's in square shape and it has 5 sheets in it, and it's worth rupees 50, which is free with this packaging, which is very good. So the next product we have is Dom's synthetic round brush, and the MRP of this brush set is 250 rupees, which is again very affordable, and it is again from the Dom's company, the most affordable brand right now. And it has 7 brushes, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 number brushes we have in this packaging. One important thing that you can't buy these brushes separately, which is not good, but they have a smaller package. I think they have 3 or 4 brushes, and it may cost you around 80 rupees. Next we have very cheap dotted diary from Inkme Silly. It costed me around 99 INR. The quality of the paper is neither good nor bad, so it's fine. So next we have Frusto Artist Gouache Color. I think it is one of the most expensive product which I have purchased recently. Inshallah, I'll do a separate review video of these gouache color. The MRP is 897 for the whole set. Like, it has 24 colors, and I'm just in love with all these colors because we can like dilute these colors with water for watercolor effect, and it turns out really well. The colors are so beautiful. The shades, all shades are very beautiful. They have pastel colors, they have dark colors, and as you can see, they all are very beautiful. Next we have Frusto drawing file, and it says that these paper are made in Italy. It has 58 sheets, 160 GSM paper. The quality of the paper is, it's wire bound, and these sheets are ideal for pencil, pen, pastel, charcoal, ink and light watercolor. Gouache color is not mentioned, but I have painted with gouache color and it turned out really well, so I think we can use gouache colors as well. Next we have very cute Canson mini art book, and I was really excited for this because I wanted it from the day one when it was launched. So here we have, it costed me 150 INR. It comes with a very cute small round brush. It's perfect travel friendly package. Like, you can travel along with this mini art file as well as with this brush. Rest all the details are given on the box, so you can pause and read. Here comes my favorite brand, Itsy Bitsy Art Supplies. So I have been buying from Itsy Bitsy from a very long time. I literally spend all my salary on it. So as I told you that I have been buying from them, so they have sent a letter along with the freebie, and in freebie they have sent me these two packets of handmade flowers, and they are very beautiful. They are very tiny. They are very cute. So here comes our first product, that is Wow embossing powder. It is 50 ml and the MRP is 3.99. It costed me around 300 approx, because some sale was going on and I bought at that time. So around 300 it costed me approx. Next we have alcohol ink. So I literally researched a lot before ordering these alcohol inks, and I got to know that it comes under the category of Muwahat, where we can use this ink. I'm using it for the first time, so I haven't ordered so many shades. I just ordered amber color, silver color, and teal color along with the alcohol solution. So yeah, in future videos I'm going to try all these inks on mugs and different surfaces. And I got a discount on each and every product from Etsy Bitsy except one or two products. So in this video I have mentioned all the MRPs that is there on the website of Etsy Bitsy. So next we have a stencil. It is that is a brand of Itsy Bitsy, that is Little Birdie, and the size of this mandala stencil is 4 into 4 inches, and the MRP is 160 rupees. I'm looking forward to use this stencil in mixed media projects. Let's see. The next product which we have is Little Birdie multi-surface paint, and I have brought only two colors because they are best to try. It is a multi-surface paint, so I'm going to try on different surfaces and will let you know inshallah in future videos. And each bottle is of 60 ml and it is of 150 INR. Now comes the best and cutest product from Itsy Bitsy, that is Deco transfer sheet. I'm going to upload the tutorial of how to use these transfer sheets. It's very easy. So I'm planning to use it on a mug for my niece. So I'll try to make a video on it. But if not, then you can check out my Instagram page because I'm going to upload all the things over there. Like all the prints are very pretty and they have a vintage look, so I'm so looking forward to use on mugs and different surfaces. So it can be used on wood, plastic, glass, leather, metal, painted surface, etc. And the prices are also very reasonable, so anyone can buy. Next we have wooden decorable 8 into 8 inches and in circular shape, and the MRP is 169. Like maybe I'll make a mixed media artwork on it. Let's see if I'll be able to try anything or I'll just keep it somewhere and forget about it. Another is wooden decorable and it is in rectangular shape. Itsy Bitsy haul is over. Now we have something from Amazon. This is rechargeable LED table lamp. It's again neither a good or a bad product. It's just okay and you can utilize it in your day-to-day life. So somehow it is usable, so it's good. It's really usable when you are taking class and you are teaching something. Like I have used this product in calligraphy class when I was taking in evening, so it helped me out in that. So here comes our last product of this haul, that is digital kitchen scale. The MRP is 1999, but it costed me 999 rupees. So basically we can use it when we are doing resin artwork because we need a proper measurement for that. And I personally use it when I have to send calligraphy kit to the students from another city because I have to deliver them, so I should know the exact weight of the parcel. So for that I have ordered this machine. So that was all from stationery haul video. I hope you liked it. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.